I'm Peter,
And I'm John.
and we're the RV Geeks and hosts of the RVers.
Last year, we installed a brand new Xantrex solar system onto our RV, and it's been a complete game changer for us.
Now, if you're thinking about installing solar on your RV, whether an initial installation or an upgrade, we're excited to announce that we'll be hosting a webinar all about solar.
We'll be providing some of the details about our experience installing our system, and we'll be able to answer questions you may have about what you have planned.
Now, just in case some questions get highly technical beyond our expertise, we'll be joined by Tech Doctor Don Wilson, an industry veteran with 35 years experience.
So come join us on Thursday, May 28th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. Pacific Time, and we'll be there to answer your questions.
Look for details on how to watch down below, and also be sure to leave comments and questions. If you leave your questions down below now, we'll answer them live on the air. So we hope you can join us then and talk all about solar with us.
Hope to see you there.